That's right, man. When I was a kid, we didn't have no insurance. We didn't have a damn thing. You had to be damn near dead to see the doctor. That's why you had to be way past Robitussin. That's all we had when I was a kid, Robitussin. No matter what you got, Robitussin better handle it. Daddy, I got asthma, Robitussin. I got cancer, Robitussin. I broke my leg, Daddy poured Robitussin on it. Yeah, boy, let that tussin get in there, boy. Yeah, boy, let that tussin get on down to the bone. Yeah, the tussin ought to straighten out the bone. It's good. If you run out of tussin, put some water in the jar, shake it up, more tussin. More tussin. More tussin. More tussin.
Oh, mama, I'm in fear for my life from the long arm of the law. Lawman is putting an end to my running, and I'm so far from my home. Oh, mama, I can hear you a-crying. You're so scared and all alone. Hangman is coming down from the gallows, and I don't have very long. The ticket's up, the news is out, they finally found me. The renegade who had it made, retreat for a bounty. Never more to go astray. This will be the end today of the one man.
And the Steelers are fired up.
The ageless linebacker.
And Mike Mitchell shot out of a cannon. Runs into a brick wall.
This is what they mean by steel curtain.
Intercepted. It's Timmons. It is intercepted by Jarvis Jones.
Rosie out. Intercepted. How about that?
And that is picked off.
Intercepted. And it's Sean Davis.
Intercepted. It's picked off.
What a play by Shazier.
The ball came out. Steelers have it.
Unbelievable.
The Steeler defense has come alive.
Very physical domination by the Steelers.
Steelers Nation is very ecstatic.
Welcome to Pittsburgh.